Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a bird in the house, and I'm trying to find where it is. Shit buckets, I'm freaked out. It just hit the ceiling fan before I came down here. And, oh my god, I hate this. Maybe it left. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It could be somewhere. I just have a feeling. Oh my god, there it is. Okay, what do I do? Son of a biscuit eater. Oh god, it's hopping around. Jesus! Oh, son of a biscuit. Alright, I guess I'm gonna go get it. Oh my god, and now it's on the counter. Oh, fuck. Brian, come and get this out of here. Oh, schneik buckaroonies. Please? It just wants to leave outside. Oh my god, get it out. Come on, little bird. Come on, keep going. Do not come over here. You are not welcome over here. Fuck. Just go. See the window? Nope, turn the other way. The other way. No, you're going the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Oh, schnickeroonies. Get it the F. Where is it? Okay, I've got a broom. Oh, flip. A duck. Okay, come on. Okay, broom. Come on, birdie. Come on. Go away. Out the window. Out the patio. Come on. Ah! Oh my God. Bless America. Ah! Ah! Shit. Crap. Okay. Good thing Good thing I had both of the windows open and all of the doors today. All right, come on, bird. Come on, go. Go. Oh, Jesus. Brian, just help me. Come on, little birdie, go on. Go. Come on this way. Jesus. Oh, crap. Fuck. Oh, it pooped on the couch. Damn it. Get out of here. Oh, you fucker. Shit. What? Oh my God, it's pooping everywhere. Get out. Go. Go. What? Yeah, I'll order you something in a second. I'm slightly... Oh, God, look at this. Brian, help me. Should we put a blanket around it? Oh. Come on. Go. Go. Get set free. Get away. Oh, my God.